Number 1. Be My Sunshine. Ada Masali follows Haziran, a successful city girl who visits her ancestral island, Kilanjik, for business. There, she encounters her long-lost relatives and meets Poyraz, a hardworking man with a simple lifestyle. Haziran, feeling guilty for a lie, decides to refurbish a hotel co-owned by her family and Poyraz to help him repay a loan and her mother's debts. As they work together, Haziran discovers the beauty of the island and warms up to Poyraz's selfless nature. Their bond grows, facing challenges and adversity, but their deepening love tests their personal limits. Will they overcome obstacles and find true love? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 2. Zemheri. Zemheri is a compelling drama revolving around Firuzeh and Ayaj, two young individuals from poor families who fall deeply in love. However, their love faces unforeseen challenges, and Ayaj makes a difficult decision to protect his family, sacrificing their relationship. After 2 years of separation, their paths cross again when Firuzeh's father faces false accusations in a construction site accident. As Firuzeh seeks to prove her father's innocence, she encounters Ayaj, who plays a crucial role in the case. The series delves into themes of love, sacrifice, forgiveness, and the pursuit of justice. Zemheri is a Turkish series with a gripping love story and outstanding performances. The chemistry between Firuzeh and Ayaj is captivating, making it a must-watch for fans of romance and drama. And I will highly recommend you all to watch this series. Number 3. Arija. Arija is an excellent and action-packed series with captivating performances and a great storyline. It follows Ali Raza, a taxi driver seeking revenge against the mafia member Burak for killing his sister. In the series Arija, Eka Asin plays the role of Halida, a young doctor who comes from a wealthy family. After a tragic incident that claims the lives of her mother and two brothers, Halida's life takes a dramatic turn. She crosses paths with Ali Raza, the protagonist, and becomes entangled in his quest for revenge against the mafia member Burak. Throughout the series, Halida supports and accompanies Ali Raza in his dangerous journey as they confront the mafia and seek justice for their loved ones. Number 4. Oln Solar. Oln Solar show is a combination of love, drama, and comedy. The storyline revolves around a young man named Aras Aydin, who unexpectedly finds himself entangled in a series of misunderstandings. He meets a young woman, portrayed by Eka Asin Turan, who flees from her enraged fiancé. These two characters are part of the Oln Solar family from Kayseri, which is made up of unique individuals. The series explores their journey as a family, bringing moments of laughter and tears, while emphasizing the themes of hope, unity, and solidarity. Despite its potential, Oln Solar faced a short run and was cancelled after only 3 episodes, with its final episode airing on 19 November 2016. Number 5. The Protector. The Protector is a Turkish fantasy drama series centered around Hakan as a young shopkeeper whose modern world gets turned upside down when he learns that he is connected to a secret ancient order that is tasked with protecting Istanbul from an immortal enemy. He struggles to choose between his duties as the Protector and a new love he comes across. Later, as Hakan disregards his training and Protector duties, he learns that an immortal's blood contains a secret power. Assisted by Zeynep and Kemal, members of the secret order, Hakan embraces his role while facing personal challenges and battling enemies seeking the mysterious Ottoman shirt. The show combines mystery, romance, and action, making it a thrilling watch for fans of fantasy series. Number 6. Kargul. Ebru and Murat have 3 children. They live in Istanbul and have a happy life with their 2 daughters named Ada, played by Eka Asin Turan, and Maya, played by Ilayda Sevik, and 1 little son. One day Ebru receives the news that her husband has disappeared by falling into a river in Halfeti, his hometown. From that moment, her life changes radically. She finds out that her husband has lost all family assets and mortgaged his assets. Ebru moves to Halfeti to find her husband's body. There she is alone and without money. She also discovers that her husband had a first wife. In that place, she will have to deal with Kendall, the family firstborn, who was always jealous of Murat because he wanted to be the sole heir of the family. However, Kendall does not have a child who can continue with his legacy. Ebru will also meet Baran, her first child with Murat, who was supposedly born dead. Will Ebru and her children manage to adapt themselves to their new life in the southeast part of Turkey? Watch this series to find out. Number 7. Meryem, The Tale of Innocence. In Meryem TV series, Savas seeks revenge after his wealthy girlfriend is killed in a hit-and-run accident caused by Meryem's boyfriend, Oktay. Meryem takes the blame for the accident out of love for Oktay and ends up serving an 8-year prison sentence. Oktay betrays Meryem during the trial, causing her heartbreak. As Meryem faces her own hardships in prison, she discovers Oktay's betrayal and decides to reveal the truth. Savas starts to question Meryem's guilt and is torn between seeking justice and his growing feelings for her. The story unfolds with twists of love, betrayal, and the search for truth. Will Meryem explain everything after she understands her boyfriend's betrayal? Watch this amazing series to find this out. If you want to watch 10 new romantic comedy series, then click here. And if you want to watch top 5 trending series of 2023, then click here.